Hello, my math independent studies. The objective for this video is to solve rational exponent equation. So the rational exponent equation is the equation where your exponent is a fraction. So you can see right here the exponent is 5/3. So the first thing we have to do is that we have to make sure we multiply both sides, or we raise both sides to the power of the reciprocal of our exponent. So that so we flip it, will be 3/5. So again, we raise the right hand side to the power of 3/5. Now on the left hand side, we will multiply the two fractions, so it will give us 15/15, so just 1. So you think about this, -5 minus 3p to the power 1. You don't have to write it down. I'm just writing so that you can see. It'll be equal. And then on the right hand side, so let me just review this concept quick. So this is just review. If we have a fraction exponent, x to the power m/n, the fraction exponent, we can write them as a radical with n root. Or we can write up n root of x to the m. Either way, so I'm going to go ahead and use it here. So we know 5 root of 32, all of that to the power 3. So here, if we have, let's go back to the left side. If we have 1 at our exponent, we can ignore it. So -5 minus 3p. On the right hand side, 32 will be 2 to the power 5. And all of that to the power 3. So you can see right here that if your power and your root the same number, so we can think about put them in a fraction, then that will divide out and give you 1. So therefore, I'm going to copy the left hand side. The right hand side will just give me 2 to the power 3. So it'll be -5p. I'm sorry, -5 minus 3p. That will give us 8. And the next step we are going to do that, we'll go ahead and add 5 to the left and then add 5 to the right. We try to isolate the p, so we have -3p equal 13. And the last step, we are going to divide both sides by -3. So we found p is -13/3. So this will be our answer. Okay, now we are going to check our solution. So we check for p is -13/3. So I will substitute back to the original equation to have -5 minus 3 times -13/3. That is the piece. So this is the piece. All of this to the power of 5/3. And it will be equal to 32. So now we just put the question mark. We need to check it. So on the left hand side, we're using the order of operation. We have to multiply first. So that case, inside the parentheses, -5 plus. So you can see right here that the 3 is gone. So we plus 13. All that to the power of 5/3. And we continue to simplify, so this will be 8 to the power of 5 over 3. Where a come from? Because you take negative 5, what taking to the sum will be 8. Okay, next we have to simplify this. So we divide them at a fractional exponent. So we will do root of 3 and 8 all that to the power of 5. So be 3 root. Now 8 the 2 to the power of 3. 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8. All that to the power of 5. So that will give us 2 to the power of 5. Now 2 to the power of 5 is also equal to 32. So that's just check. We found the correct answer. It's equal to the right hand side. So this will be the conclusion for this video. Make sure that you write out your own summary, and thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.